Good morning dear students. In your previous video class, you learned about versatile nature of the carbon, saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds, ring, branch and stripe way of arranging carbon atoms and their carbon compounds, and the nomenclature of the hydrocarbon series such as alkane, alkene and alkyne. Children, in this class, we shall study about how name is given to the carbon compounds is having the functional groups. You learned about already functional groups in the previous class. Now let us go to how the name is given is having the carbon compound functional groups and some in-text questions. Children, now come to how the name is given to the carbon compound or hydrocarbons containing functional groups. We have already seen the functional groups such as alcohols, aldehydes, carboxylic acid and ketones, including that halogens. Now let's see how they are calling. Nomenclature of organic compounds. See here the class of compounds. The first is haloalkanes. Prefix or suffix here. See children, prefix is a chloro or bromo. The functional group, that is chloro or a bromo, attached with the carbon compound or a hydrocarbon, the word chloro or bromo is at beginning of the hydrocarbon. Look at here, chloropropane. See children here, chloropropane. Here propane is a basic hydrocarbon. In that propane, one hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. One hydrogen is get replaced by the chlorine. The name of that hydrocarbon is chloropropane. See children, this is a structural formula of the chloropropane. Now observe here the number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3. The carbon compound or a hydrocarbon containing 3 carbon atoms, that is namely called prop. Yes, this is right. And carbon with carbon single bond is there, you know. That's why it is named as propane beginningly. After that, one hydrogen is get replaced by the chlorine. One hydrogen get replaced by chlorine. The name of this hydrocarbon become chloropropane. Instead of chloro, we have to substitute the bromine. That is named as bromopropane. Here bromine group is get attached. The name become bromopropane. In that way, we have to get so many hydrocarbon compounds containing different functional groups. Okay, now let's come to here the second class of compound, alcohols. See children, here the suffix word OL is used. In alcohol, the last two alphabet is OL. The suffix here used, that is OL. Here beginningly we have to take the alkane or alkene or alkyne, and in that alkane series the one hydrogen get replaced by the OH group, then it become like this. See here propane, we take the primary hydrocarbon is propane. In that propane, one hydrogen atom get replaced by the OH group of the element. Here OH is attached, you know, that is named as all. All to the suffix of the propane. So name become propanol. OH is there, you know, due to that reason name of that hydrocarbon become propanol. In the same way, butane is a primary hydrocarbon. In that butane, one H get replaced by the OH group, that become a butanol. Like that. Now come to the third class of compound, aldehydes. Children, all of you memorize aldehyde group of family, aldehyde is represented by the functional group CHO. That C also is count to the number of carbon atom after named to the hydrocarbon having the aldehyde functional group. Now let's see first which word is added to the suffix or prefix to the primary hydrocarbon. Here when aldehyde is attached, aldehyde group is attached to the primary hydrocarbon, the suffix word is used. The suffix is as al, al. Look at children, here ethane is taken, primarily ethane. See here, ethane structure is like this, C2H6, ethane. Listen carefully. Ethane molecular formula is C2H6. We can write the structural formula like this. From this, one hydrogen is replaced by the CHO group. One hydrogen going outside and the group of CHO is come and attached here. That become like this, CCC. Double bond with O, the remaining bonds are with hydrogen, that is connect with a single bond. See here carefully, primary hydrocarbon is ethane. In that ethane, one hydrogen going to replaced by the group of atoms CHO. Now count the carbon atoms here, 1, 2, 3. Due to that reason, this name of hydrocarbon compound is propanal. Listen, look at carefully. The functional group aldehyde containing the C, that C is also count with the hydrocarbon. After that, here we have to take the primary hydrocarbon is ethane. But after attaching the aldehyde group of the functional group, aldehyde group, in that aldehyde group C is there, you know, that C is also count with the primary hydrocarbon. After that is named as propanal. Okay children, see here, you don't get confused. So this kind of problem we have to see in aldehyde group of family and carboxylic group of family and ketone. In these three functional group, we seen the carbon present in the functional group. In such cases, we count the carbon including the primary hydrocarbon. After name get changed. But in case of alcohol, there is no problem. We take the primary hydrocarbon. After the attaching alcohol group, the name is itself. Only the suffix word get changed as OL, propanol. Children, now come to another fun functional group, ketone. Here the suffix word is taken, that is on, O-N-E, one, that is usually pronounced that one, but in chemistry, in hydrocarbon group of family, that is known as, that is called as on. See here, the structural formula of this hydrocarbon compound is propanone. Observe here the number of carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. For that reason, this is called as prop, and in between the carbon atom single bond is there. Due to that reason, propane. And the functional group is attached here, C double bond with O. For that reason, that is functional group known as on. Totally, the name of this hydrocarbon is propanone. Here we have to take the primary hydrocarbon is ethane. For that ethane, attached the ketone group, that is C double bond with O. Attached see double bond with O and that become propanone. Now come to the another one functional group, carboxylic acid. Here also suffix word is used. Half of the word suffix is oic acid. Here we have to use the half of this carboxylic acid is oic acid. In this case also we take the primary hydrocarbon like this, ethane. For this ethane, the carboxylic acid group is get attached by removing the one hydrogen atom. After that become propanoic acid. The oic acid is come and attached to the suffix of the hydrocarbon. Look at children, carbon with double bond with O, single bond with OH. Children, all of you write the structural formula of propanoic acid. Children, now come to in-text question of the page number 12. See what is asking in the first question. How many structural isomers can you draw for pentane? Here we have to draw structural isomers for the pentane. Children, I told you already, the carbon atoms more than 3 that takes the isomers. Here the pentane, observe here, pent, it gives the number of carbon atoms 5 and here pentane is there, ANE. This is belongs to the hydrocarbon series alkanes series. The general formula for the alkane series is CnH2n plus 2. By this general formula, we can calculate the molecular formula for the pentane. Instead of n, we have to put the number 5 because here pentane. And now calculate the hydrogen atoms. Put here 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 become how much? 10 plus 2 become 12. The number of hydrogen atoms are here 12. The molecular formula of the pentane is C5H12. Children, look at here. The number of carbon atoms are more than 3. Yes, here isomers are possible. Now let us draw the structural isomers for the pentane. Now let us write first N-pentane. N-pentane. The molecular formula is same. N-pentane. Here now first write 5 carbon atoms like this. In between the 5 carbon atoms, the covalent bond is there and each carbon atoms maintain 4 bonds. Each carbon atoms we have to maintain the 4 bonds and draw now H. See children, this is a simple structure of the pentane. Name of this pentane is N-pentane. N means the all carbon atoms are arranged in a straight line manner. Due to that reason, name of this hydrocarbon is N-pentane. Now let us draw another one structural compound of the pentane is like this. 4 carbon atoms are arranged like this. And now each carbon is maintained 4 bonds. For this carbon we have to attach another one carbon because here 5 carbon atoms is there for the pentane. Here 4 are arranged in straight manner. Another one is arranged like this. This is a branched way of arranging. For this carbon, 4 bond is maintained. For this carbon, observe here, 3 bond is there only. Now put another 1 bond. For this carbon, the remaining is 3. Now put hydrogen. Now once again count the carbon atoms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now let us count hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. The carbon atoms are 5. Hydrogen atoms are 12. Name of this structural pentane is 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane. Look at children. 2-methyl. Now put the number of carbon atoms from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the second carbon atom, the methane group is attached here. We simply write this as CH3. CH3 is named as like this, methyl. And the 4 carbon atoms are there, you know. Because of that reason, this is a butane. Name of this structural pentane is 2-methyl butane. All of you understood now? What is the reason for naming like this? Yes. The methyl group is attached to the second carbon atom of the compound. That's why this is 2-methyl. And 4 carbon atoms are there in a straight line. Because of that reason, butane. Totally, name of this structural pentane is 2-methyl butane. Okay. Now come to the another one, structural pentane. Here we have to draw 3 isomers. How many structural isomers are possible for the pentane? Yes. 3 structural isomers are possible to pentane. Now 2 are completed. Now let's come to the third one. Arrange carbon atoms like this. 3 are like this and the remaining 2 carbon atoms are here like this. And each carbon atoms maintain 4 covalent bonds. For this carbon, remaining 3. 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 Now put hydrogen for all. Now let us count hydrogen atoms for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Now carbon atoms are 5, hydrogen atoms are 12. Name of this structural pentane is 2,2-dimethyl propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane. See children here. Name of this structural pentane is 2,2-dimethyl propane. Here observe here. Here one of the methyl group is there. Here one methyl. Here also one methyl. Here one methyl. Because of that reason here take like this. 2,2-dimethyl propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane. Now come to second question. What are the 2 properties of carbon which lead to the large number of carbon compounds or C around us? Children, we already learned and we are already discussed about the special character of the carbon atom. The special character of the carbon atom is, one is catenation property. One is catenation property. Children, you know that the carbon making the bond with the carbon is called catenation property. The catenation occurs in 3 ways. straight, branched and ring. This is a special property of the carbon. It become present in all the matter. It present in living and non-living matter. The second property is tetravalence character. Tetravalency property. Children, tetravalency property. You know that carbon is having the 4 valence electrons in their outermost shell. It is possible to making the 4 covalent bond with carbon atoms and also atoms of other element. Due to that reason, the carbon present in all the things. These two properties make the carbon special and it leads to the large number of carbon compounds or see around us. Children, now come to the third question of the same page number. What he is asking in this question? See now, what will be the formula and electron dot structure of cyclopentane? Children, now let us write first molecular formula for this cyclopentane. The cycloalkanes, the general formula is CnH2n. The general formula for the cycloalkanes is CnH2n. By using this general formula, we can calculate the molecular formula for the cyclopentane. Instead of N, put 5 because this is a pentane. Pent indicates the number of carbon atoms 5. Instead of N here put 5. 5 2s are 10. Number of hydrogen atoms become 10. The molecular formula for the cyclopentane is C5H10. Children, all of you memorize the alkene series of hydrocarbons. The same general formula is used for the alkene series. But we have to observe one thing. For cycloalkanes, in between the carbon atoms is a single bond. But for the alkene series, in between the carbon atoms, we maintain the double bond. Here cycloalkanes, CnH2n molecular formula is used for general, particularly for the cyclopentane, the molecular formula is C5H10. Children, first let us draw the structural formula for the cyclopentane. After, we will go to the electron dot structure of cyclopentane. Okay. Now arrange 5 carbon atoms like this. And each carbon atom maintains 4 bonds. You know that carbon is a tetravalency atom. Now put hydrogen for each bonds. Now count the hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 5 carbon atoms are there. This is fit for our molecular formula. This is a simple structural formula of the cyclopentane. Now let us go to draw electron dot structure of the cyclopentane. Carbon atoms are arranged in a same manner like this, and around the carbon 4 dots are there like this. Children, observe carefully. I have to put the 4 dots around the carbon like this. Observe. And now let us draw the hydrogen atoms by using this simple structure. For this dot, another one dot by the hydrogen. For this dot, another one hydrogen. For this dot, another one hydrogen atom. For this dot, another one hydrogen. For this dot, another one hydrogen. This dot. And observe here, the hydrogen atoms are, draw a circle like this. For the hydrogen, it is complete the outermost shell by receiving the or by sharing the one electron from the carbon atom. For this hydrogen 1, for this hydrogen 1. In the same way, each carbon atoms share 2 valence electrons with 2 atoms of the hydrogen, and we have to put the circle like this. Now come to carbon. Carbon is having the 4 valence electrons. 2 is shared with hydrogen and the remaining 2 is shared with carbon atoms which are present nearby. Now draw a circle for the carbon like this. Observe carefully here. And draw a circle around the carbon like this. And let us count the dots. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, carbon completes their outermost shell with 8 electrons. Now for this carbon, draw a circle like this. And let us count. Here already 6 is there. From here 1, from here 1. Totally 8 electrons. For this carbon, observe. Now observe, here already 6 is there, 7 and 8. For this carbon, observe here, for this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now come to this carbon. Observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a electron dot structure for the pentane. Children, now come to the fourth question. Draw the structures for the following compounds. The first one is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Here the functional group is oic acid. That's why we take here COOH. And what is asking here? Ethanoic acid. This carbon is also count with hydrocarbon series. That's why here it become like this CH3COOH. This is a molecular formula for ethanoic acid. Now let us draw structure for this molecular formula. 2 carbon atoms are arranged like this. For this carbon atom, the remaining 3 are with hydrogen bonds. For this carbon, for 1 bond with OH, the remaining 2 bonds with oxygen. 2 bonds with oxygen. This is a structural formula for ethanoic acid. The second compound is bromopentane. Bromopentane. Bromo, it is a functional group of halogen. Bromo is indicated by Br and it is attached with hydrocarbon to the prefix. That's why Br. The pentane C5. ANE word is there, you know. Simply the pentane molecular formula is C5H12. In that C5H12, one H gets replaced by bromo group. That's why the number of hydrogen atoms become 11. Now let us draw the structural formula for this molecular formula. 5 carbon atoms are arranged like this, and the first carbon atom is attached with bromine. The remaining 2 bonds with hydrogen. For this 2, for this carbon 2, for this carbon 2, the last carbon he is having 3 bonds. Now put hydrogen for each. Children, now look at, this is a structural formula for bromopentane. Bromopentane. Now let's come to third compound, butanone. Observe here. Now let us divide the word like this, butanone. But indicates the number of carbon atoms are 4. But none. The functional group is ketone. Ketone functional group is indicated by C double bond with O. C double bond with O. This carbon is also count with the hydrocarbons. That's why first here we have to write C3. And for this we have to add this carbon also. It becomes C4. That gives but. And the number of hydrogen atoms become H8. C3H8 CO. Now let us draw 4 carbon atoms are like this. And for the second carbon atom we attach the oxygen. We attach oxygen with the double bond. The remaining carbon atoms are attached with hydrogen and fulfilling the valencies. For this carbon, the remaining 4 bonds are there. Now put hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. For this carbon atom, observe here, 4 bonds are already completed. 2 with carbon atom, 2 with oxygen. That's why here there is no balancing of hydrogen. Now come to this carbon, draw 2 bonds here with hydrogen. For this carbon, remaining 3. H. Now let us count hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, the hydrogen atoms are 8. The carbon atoms are 4 with the functional group ketone. The name of this structural compound is butanone. Butanone. Children, now come to the last carbon compound, hexanal. Hexanal. Now let us divide the word hexanal like this. See, the suffix al is there. Al word indicates the functional group CHO, and hex indicates the number of carbon atoms 6. See, already here 1 carbon is there. Now let us put here only 5. C5. But the number of hydrogen atoms is here. We count like this. 1 hydrogen get replaced by the CHO group. The remaining hydrogen atoms are here. C5H. How many here? H. 10. Not 10, 11. Children, the molecular formula is C5H11CHO. See children here, the functional group is CHO and the compound is hexanal. In which functional group carbon atom is there, and see the hydrocarbon family hexanal. Now let us take the primary hydrocarbon beforeing of this hex, that is pent. The number of carbon atoms are 5. By using the number of carbon atoms 5, now let us count this primary hydrocarbon C5. That means the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. By using that, the formula become here C5H12. But the 1 hydrogen get replaced by the functional group CHO. That's why 1 hydrogen is going outside. That become 11. The group CHO is comes and attached with this. The molecular formula become C5H11CHO. Now let us draw the structure. The 5 carbon atoms are arranged first like this. Okay. And for each carbon we maintain the 4 bonds like this. And draw hydrogen first. And 1 is left as it is. Don't write anything. Now let us count the hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now this hydrogen is get replaced with CHO group. Like this, C is right here and H is attached with like this, and O is group attached with carbon with double bond. This is a structural formula of the hexanal. Okay children. The sub question is asking in your fourth question, that is, are structure isomers possible for bromopentane? Yes, structural isomers are possible for the bromopentane. The simple bromopentane is like this: bromopentane BrC5H11. BrC5H11. Let us draw the structure. See, the carbon atoms are 5 arranged like this, and one carbon atom is attached with Br and the remaining bonds with hydrogen. Now let us count the hydrogen atoms. Yes, the hydrogen atoms are 11. One bromine is there, and now put the number to the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The name of this bromopentane isomer is 1-bromopentane. 1-bromopentane. Name of this bromopentane isomer is 1-bromopentane. Now let us draw another one structure by using the same molecular formula. Observe here, 5 carbon atoms are arranged in the same way, and now let us maintain each carbon atoms maintain the 4 bonds, and now put the bromine group to the second carbon atom. Put the number also like this, and each remaining bonds are with hydrogen. Let us write hydrogen. Now count the children. Hydrogen atoms: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The bromine group is attached with the second carbon atom of this group of this hydrocarbon. Name of this isomer is 2-bromopentane. 2-bromopentane. This is a second isomer for the bromopentane. The third isomer we have to write like this by using the same molecular formula. Carbon, carbon, carbon. 5 carbons are arranged like this, and each carbon maintains 4 bonds, and put the number for the carbon, and put here bromine for the third carbon, and the remaining are with hydrogen. Remaining bonds with hydrogen. Yes, now let us count the hydrogen atoms here. Yes, the hydrogen atoms are 11, and the bromine is attached with third carbon atom. Name of this bromopentane is 3-bromopentane. 3-bromopentane. Like this, there are 3 isomers are possible to draw the bromopentane. Children, now come to the fifth question. What is asking here? How would you name the following compounds? See first here, CH3, CH2, Br. Here the functional group is Br, and it is attached with a primary hydrocarbon. He is having the carbon atoms 2. As all of you memorize, the number of carbon atoms are 2. Name of that carbon compound is start with eth. And here the carbon is attached with the carbon with a single bond. Okay. Because of that reason, it belongs to the primary hydrocarbon alkane. So here name of this carbon compound is bromoethane. 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 Children, listen once again. Bromine group is attached with this primary hydrocarbon. The primary hydrocarbon is having two number of carbon atoms. Due to that reason, it starts with here bromoethane. Yes, I write here correct. Bromoethane. Name of this hydrocarbon is bromoethane. Bromoethane. Now come to the second one. Here observe the CHO group is attached here. The functional group is aldehyde. Aldehyde functional group present in this carbon compound, that is end with the suffix al, and single carbon atom is there, you know. Yes, the number of carbon atom is 1, that is called as meth. The functional group is aldehyde, that is end with al. Totally name of this carbon compound is methanal. Methanal. Okay children. Meth indicates the number of carbon atom is only 1. This al indicates the functional group is CHO. Now come to the third compound here. Now count the carbon atoms first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms are there, you know. Yes, name of this carbon compound is hex. The half of the word is hex. And observe here, within the carbon atoms, carbon is attached with the carbon with a triple bond. That's why it belongs to the family alkyne series. Alkyne series. As totally name of this carbon compound become hexane. Name of this carbon compound become hexane. Okay children. Children, up to now we are discussing about the nomenclature of carbon compounds having the functional groups and some in-text questions. I hope that all of you understood very well. We will discuss the remaining concept of this chapter in your next class. Thank you.